We have some critical XRP price action, technical analysis, and news to talk in today's video. So guys, I want to give you guys the breaking XRP news. What is happening with the price literally right now as we're speaking. And I also want to talk to you guys about the big picture stuff for XRP. So I've heard talks about Trump meeting with XRP CEO, Ripple CEO. What does that mean for the crypto price? And ultimately, what is the big picture play for XRP? If this crypto takes off, how high could it potentially go? Make sure to stick around to the end of the video for the answer to that. And if you guys want to trade XRP in the short term, so remember, I've got XRP I'm holding for the long term, but in the immediate term, I have been trading XRP. We've been making some really nice gains, both over on BuyDefi and Bitchnix. You can see some very nice short-term windows popping up right here. We'll talk about that later in the video, but there are some very special bonuses. You can get $5,500 worth of bonuses over on Bitchnix crypto exchange. No KYC, because you guys know KYC is super annoying. Link in the description of this video. That's where I'm trading currently, and also link to BuyDefi, where you can trade XRP currently as well. So two great crypto exchanges. Links in the description of this video. And guys, having said that, let's talk about the XRP price, then we'll talk about Trump, and then where the price can go in the future. So if we have a look right here, we bring up the price of XRP in the immediate term. There are some really key levels we need to be looking out for right now for this crypto. So you can see on this price window, we have had a very nice run in the last few days. Like XRP has been on the warpath in the crypto market. It's been exploding ever since this level right here. So around the 55-cent level for XRP, this thing has basically taken off, and we have seen ascending gains for this. So it has reached higher highs, and we did see that bullish momentum. So we locked in a trade right here to this level, then we actually locked in another trade from here to here, and then we've just encountered a little patch of resistance at this level. I want to talk about that, but we actually got all the way up to around an all-time local high of nearly $1.30. So it actually got all the way up to $1.27, which is looking super exciting. And then from that level, we actually have encountered a patch of volatility from here. So again, short-term movements to the downside. We couldn't maintain this 120 level. We lost support around here and have trickled back down to the 105 level. And if we actually have a look at the technical analysis today, you can see there is support at around this 105 level. So you can see right here, nice little patch of support at this zone and another patch of support at this zone. So if we can hold $1.05 at the moment, I do think that's going to be very bullish for XRP. So it'd be great to bounce off this to the upside soon. If not, of course, we can encounter some risk right here as well. But what's important for XRP is you have to look at the past for this crypto. So if you actually bring up the prices today, you take a long-term look at this crypto. Again, number 6 today. But if you zoom out right here, guys, have a look at the all-time highs for XRP. So one of the first bull runs in crypto, 17th of January, this got up to around $3 plus. The second bull run, 2021, 2022, we nearly touched, $2. And I think, honestly, things are really starting to heat up with this crypto. And the reason I say this, and the reason I'm staying long-term bullish on XRP, is because we're entering into a big year next year with Donald Trump, what's happening with the US, what's happening with the SEC. And one thing that I think is very interesting is apparently Donald Trump and Ripple CEO did have a meeting. So this news article has said they had a meeting, and people have speculated that it did discuss, XRP's economical potential and also the US regulatory challenges it has been facing. So you guys know, one of the most frustrating things, if you've been a long-term XRP holder, has been the SEC. So the SEC has done basically everything it can to stop the rise of XRP, to hamper the company of Ripple. And what's important to understand is next year we're going to see Trump come in. And Trump, he's been talking a huge amount of pro-crypto policy. I'm very happy that he's coming into power because I want to see things change in the US. And this is going to be interesting because if Trump does, back XRP, if Trump does actually utilize some of the technology Ripple's come out with, XRP Ledger, plus a lot more. This is the stuff that could really, really supercharge the price of XRP. So my long-term belief about this crypto, I'm going to break it down on 2 levels. Okay, so the first level you have to understand about XRP is what this has a very, very strong community. So I actually rate XRP community. XRP Army is one of the strongest, one of the longest in cryptocurrency. And right there, that is bullish for this crypto over the long term. So remember, there's some cryptos out there, they're just based around meme value, community value, and that alone has created immense value. And I do think the XRP Army, super strong. But we also have this wild card factor of, what happens next year with Trump. So what happens with the ETF? Are we going to get an XRP ETF? And then importantly, does Donald Trump somehow utilize XRP into the ecosystem? So I do think the Trump factor is going to be very big for XRP next year. And I honestly think, so factor number 1, we do have a strong community for XRP. Factor number 2, of course, if it's a utility crypto, this goes for every single utility crypto you're ever going to analyze in the crypto market. It's, with Trump, with the US government, and with these, national governments, with the XRP crypto, at the end of the day, if it's that type of project, there has to be real institutional, government demand for XRP. So if you do actually get, governments around the world, buying XRP to utilize the ecosystem, that's where the crazy stuff for XRP can happen. So this is where some people say, $100 XRP, we spoke about $200 XRP, there's a question of $500 XRP, $1,000 XRP, but that really, in my opinion, that's going to be your big government play for this crypto. So it has to be like a national government level of potential adoption. And that's kind of what's up for grabs for XRP. So I think the community is strong. The crypto fundamentally looks strong. And that's what I think if you want to get the really big price gains and not so much the short-term movement. So at the moment, yes, we are trading XRP to capture some of these short-term gains. But I think if you want the cataclysmic big-term gains, you got to be watching out for that kind of long-term adoption. So that's what I'm thinking about XRP at the moment. And I think in the immediate term, if we hold on to the 5-cent level, that's going to be good. This could potentially set us up for another level of support. And we'll watch to see what happens. So of course, if we break down, we might encounter some volatility, but it would be great to see XRP surge up. And I think also as another wildcard factor, if we do get a XRP ETF, that's going to be easier for institutions to come in and invest into XRP as well. So that could be another very long-term bullish factor for this. And guys, that's a huge update for XRP. If you guys want to trade XRP in the short term, just like what I'm doing, links to Bitchnix in the description of this video, links to Buy Defy as well, plus some other crypto exchanges where you can trade this with leverage, no KYC, and make some extra money on the daily. So we made around $100 on this trade. And then we made, another about roughly $100 on this trade right here with about 4x leverage. So there's definitely opportunities to make money in the crypto market. And guys, that is a huge update. Really appreciate you tuning in. If you like XRP content, make sure to follow, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Crypto Zeus signing out.